Hi, welcome you all in my channel. Today we'll see about the Cucurbita plant. Common name is a pumpkin. Okay, so this also called as a musk pumpkin. This plant is belonging to the family Cucurbitaceae. So this plant is there, it is a creeper. This Cucurbita moschata, name genus is there, Cucurbita, and moschata is a species. Okay, number of the flowers we can observe in this. So just now I said it belong to the family Cucurbitaceae. Okay, so chromosome numbers, if we'll observe that 40 chromosome numbers are there in human being, 48 chromosome numbers in case of this plant, the 40 chromosome numbers. It is a creeper, it is a creeping on the ground. So if you'll observe that on the grass, it is a spread, okay, on the ground. Tendrils are there. So hairy structures, tendrils, now here branch of the tree. Hairy structures are present on the throughout the plant body, okay, present on the leaves also. This flower, it is a male flower, okay, number of the male flowers are there. Ratio of the male and female flower, that is of 20:1. If the 20 male flower, 1 female flower. So here you can observe the male female flower. Ovary is there on the, this is a unisexual flower, so female flower which only ovary is present, stigma is present, okay, so female reproductive parts are present. Well, in case of the male flower, only male parts are there. So we can observe in case of the male flower, only the stamens are present, no reproductive part, no gynoecium. So only androecium is present. Okay, so here the leaves are there. Leaves which are, we can say that they are palmately 5 to 7 lobes. Okay, so leaves are there which are having the petiole. So petiolate leaf is there. Here we can observe the properly about the leaf structure of the leaf. Okay. Here the another branch is growing. We can observe that how the hairy structures, trichomes are present on the plant body with the tendrils. Tendrils are taking the support. Now here the tendrils are taking support of the grass, and with the help of that they are spreading throughout. Okay, so it covers the whole area wherever it get the maximum sunlight. Now here the flower stage, first stage is there, second stage of the flower bud, then third stage. Yes, now here next stage, here the open flower you can observe. This is a male flower. Okay. So in this, now here the female flower on the other branch, okay, ovary on the lower side. So at the same place we can observe the two flowers also at the axis. Okay, so here the another male flower, so no ovary below, only androecium is present. Okay, so I'm searching for the female flower. As a maximum female flower, maximum fruits we get. Okay, so I feel very happy whenever I observe the female flower. This is a male flower again. Again we can observe that the stamens on this. Now here the female flower ovary, along with that we can observe the sepals and the petals are there. Here the stigma we can observe on the top. Okay, so here stigma, 3 stigmas are there. Okay, bilobed stigmas are there. Here the male flower, no, what are the ovary, petals and sepals we can easily observe that the free, so polypetalous, polysepalous condition we can say. This plant is having the fruit which is edible, flowers are also edible, leaves are also edible, which are used for the cooking the vegetable. Now here the another, what are the matured, what are the female flower is there. Okay, this is growing on the branches of other plant, so we can say here it is a climber also, it climbs on the where it get the support. Okay, so here another female flower again we now observe, lower side the ovaries are present. Okay, so this plant is there which flowers are there which are the solitary flowers, and just now I said they are unisexual flowers and large, lemon color, lemon yellow to the deep orange color. Here again the female flower. Okay, so here sepals and petals are free. These leaves you can observe that are palmately 5 to 7. Yes, now here I got the fruit which is fully whatever the grown we can say. Okay, it will take little bit more time to get mature. Okay, here very whatever the beautiful it looking. Here the white spots are present, so covered with the, yes, now here is just I am trying how it is grown. Okay, now here in the market, now we can observe the fully grown ready pumpkins are there with a variety of the pumpkins are there. So here it is a green on which the white, what are the patches, yellowish patches. Here the stalk is there. Okay, now here we can observe the some other what are the varieties also. So along with that, this is called as a bopla in case of Marathi. In Hindi we call as a kaddu. Okay, so edible fruit. Here the what are the cutted part is there. we can observe that the seeds inside, the seeds which are attached to the marginal placentation, it shows the marginal placentation. Here now seeds are there. Okay, so it's very difficult to hold the seed. It shows sticky, so what is the slimy substance. Okay, so immediately it falls down as we try to hold it. These all attached to the placenta, so which are at the parietal placentation. Now this seeds will dry, and after this we can check the seed is covered with the, now here the what we can say, this edible portion is there, mesophile we can say. Okay, this outer covering is there. The now here the seeds are there, dried seeds are there. This the testa is removed, and inner to that again one more covering is there called as the tegumen. Here you can observe the tegumen is also removed, and on the right side we can observe the seed, which is the cotyledons are separated, two cotyledons are there. Okay, so here the tegumen removed, you can observe clearly, you can observe that here the two cotyledons which are separated. So this plant is a dicot plant having the two cotyledons. Okay, so if you like my channel, please subscribe and just pass it to your friends so that everybody will get the benefit of the same. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.